Always read your use and care guide. This video is for informational purposes only.
A number of problems can cause the ice maker in your refrigerator to produce off-tasting, odd-colored, or gray-colored ice. Here are a few possible problems and solutions. New plumbing connections can cause discolored or off-flavored ice. Ice stored too long could have an off taste. Throw out the ice and wash the ice bin. Make sure to allow 24 hours for the ice maker to make new ice. Improperly stored foods can transfer odors to the ice, causing an off taste. Always store foods in airtight, moisture-proof packaging. Installing a water filter can remove minerals, such as sulfur, from water, preventing the ice maker from producing off-tasting ice. Gray or dark discoloration in ice indicates that the water filtration system needs flushing. Flush the water system before using a new filter. Replace filters as needed.
Always follow your use and care guide, included with every product, or available online at www.maytag.com.